Lucy, a curious college student, sits at a table with her friend James. They sip their coffees, engrossed in conversation. Lucy, juggling her thoughts. James, I've been reading about Plato's theory of forms. It's like he believed in an invisible world. James, smiling. Ah, Plato and his fantastical ideas. Let me take you on a whimsical journey to understand it better. INT. Imaginary Island. Day. Flashback. Lucy and James find themselves on a lush, otherworldly island. Lucy, wide-eyed. Where are we? James, gesturing around. Welcome to Plato's imaginary island. This is where his theory of forms comes to life. They notice a shimmering lake in the distance. James, taunted. See that lake? Imagine it as the physical world we perceive with our senses. Lucy, nods. So, what's so special about it? James, pointing. Look closer. Do you see those beautiful swans gliding on the lake? Lucy observes as the swans gracefully swim. Lucy, excited. Yes, they're stunning, James. According to Plato, those swans are just imperfect copies of an ideal form. A perfect, eternal, and unchangeable swan that exists in a realm beyond our senses. Lucy, frowning. So, you're saying there's a perfect swan somewhere out there? James, exactly. Plato believed that this physical world is a mere reflection of a higher realm where these perfect forms exist. Our senses can only grasp imperfect copies of those ideal forms. Lucy, slightly confused. But what about other things, like trees, chairs, or even concepts like justice? James Plato believed that for every object or abstract concept in our world, there exists a perfect form in that higher realm. The physical things we encounter are just flawed imitations of those ideal forms. Lucy ponders the concept, trying to grasp its depth. Lucy, smiling. So, Plato imagined an enchanted realm of perfect forms that shape our imperfect reality. It's like a hidden world behind the scenes. James, nods. Exactly, Lucy. Plato's theory of forms invites us to question the nature of reality and seek the true essence of things beyond our immediate perceptions. Int Cafe, Day. Lucy and James return to the present, contemplating Plato's theory of forms. Lucy, reflective. Plato's imaginary island helped me see beyond the surface of things. There's more to reality than meets the eye. James, smiling. Indeed, Lucy. Plato's enchanting theory reminds us to seek the universal truths and ideal forms that shape our world.